Now let's talk about the elephant in the room. ARM MacBooks. This is a big change.
Oh,
And
dude, you
so
know
while
what?
talking about this now, go ahead.
So, I was thinking, I think you should make your point first, then mine will be relevant.
Okay. मेरा तो वो ट्रांजिशन के बारे में है. So
कौन सा? हाँ, बोल.
अरे so what happened is I'll put the transition there. Let it play. Okay. So now that you have seen the transition, मैं just describe कर दूंगा. तो the transition was like he's talking about कि we are finally introducing Apple Silicon, and to talk about it, we'll take you to a secret location. And so it zooms out of the Apple Park वाला ये, and it go and he says it's a secret location. तो वैसे एप्पल के ऐसे पार्क में पूल करके है, मतलब पूल है, स्विमिंग पूल, एंड इट गोज इनटू द वाटर, कैमरा वो वाटर के अंदर जाता है, देयर इज दिस एनिमेशन, एंड फिर नीचे जाके ऐसे एक टनल के अंदर जाता है. तो the transition is really good, and then it finally enters into a lab and it's a door रहता है, so they put the pass or something and the green lights open होता है. And it was really well done, man. Great job on the transition. So yeah, make your point, I guess.
So they said so Apple Silicon essentially means कि now MacBooks will have processors that are made by Apple, right? So right now MacBooks have AMD तो नहीं है. Right now MacBooks have all Intel processors, but over the span of the next 2 years, that's what they call a transition period. They're going to transition from Intel based chips to like Apple Silicon based chips. I feel that when that happens, right, MacBooks will be the best value that they have ever been, right? I feel that way. And I feel that it'll just make MacBooks way more compelling, and I hope that by that time I have enough money to buy a MacBook, because then it'll be really worth it. It's going to be really worth it.
And everyone saw this coming, everyone knew
something
like this
they've
is
been
in the plan.
teasing it since what? 6 years now? 5 years they've been like it's in the works.
No, they weren't teasing it, they're working on it, I guess.
They're working on it. मतलब वही,
but the leak started as a couple of years back, and I guess I don't know, couple of years, don't quote me on this, but they started a bit back. What I was worried about is the transition is gonna suck because the pro users ka app won't be translated, but
that's right.
Even that's done. Like it's already done.
Adobe has done it.
Adobe is doing it. It's in the process, but Microsoft has done it. The Office suite is almost done. The Adobe suite, pura Adobe suite is almost done. And the reason people bought Apple is for Final Cut Pro and Logic 10 Pro, and those are already done.
Yeah.
And I'm like, अब बस coders बाकी रह गए. So what are you gonna do about that?
That's right.
So we are kind of left in the dust. सारा music professionals are done. The क्या बोलते हैं, video editing professionals done. Final Cut Pro आ गया, Premiere Pro आने वाला है. I don't know about the cinema वाला software, but they'll catch up soon because the ARM वाला MacBook is gonna come by the end of the year. And the developer kits are ready already. They are shipping and stuff. So I guess it's not gonna be that hard a transition पहले तो. Yeah, so it's called the A12Z processor.
Yeah. It's nice name actually. I really like the name.
Yeah, and the reason this is gonna fly is because the iPad Pro with Apple Silicon, the A12X Bionic, it is this thin. It doesn't have a fan.
Yeah.
It has the same gaming performance as the Xbox One. Can you imagine that? A machine
Seriously,
with
dude,
fans
that's
in it,
so good.
made for gaming, is equal to an iPad. Like Apple ka silicon game is so strong.
Imagine a pro video editing machine without a fan. That's crazy. To me,
And that is kind of.
And
I mean, I don't know if
this thing.
pro editing machine will be without a fan, but I think the MacBook and the MacBook Air are gonna remove the fan, and they're gonna have this amazing A12Z processor or something.
Dude.
And it's gonna fly off the shelves because
no doubt
the predictions are once Apple goes the ARM route, it's gonna have 1.5 to 2 times the Intel वाला performance जो अभी का है. Like they showed a chart इधर ऐसा कि what the speed and the core or something like that.
core count
Cooling
या
ऐसा.
frequency हाँ
It was something ऐसा दो graphs में था and Intel was over there
हाँ
and the iPhones were over here, like the processing भी कम है but power usage भी कम है. Intel was
हाँ,
इधर
right,
performance भी
right,
ज़्यादा है and their own silicon was over here.
oh nice
So
got
if the graph is correct, the ARM wala processor, Apple said, I don't know if it's ARM, I think it's ARM only.
it will be
but-
ARM it will be ARM
So the Apple silicon will be 1.5 to 2 times faster than the Intel ka i9 wala chip. The mere paas.
oh wow yeah and it will use significantly less power also
Less
so it will
power.
be less heating and thinner laptops lighter
Yeah, and to
cooling.
give you a sense of the power, they edited a 5 GB Photoshop file on Udar. Like they didn't
Yeah.
edit it, but it was a 5 GB Photoshop file and it was flying through it.
Wow.
5 GB का
Yeah.
Photoshop file. And they showed Final Cut Pro का ये क्या बोलते हैं demo, and it was running 3 4K streams side by side.
Oof wow
And this is
Wow.
just the first processor. Imagine what they can do.
seriously
So-
seriously it's really
I was it's impressive, but I was a bit worried about the transition. But what they said was, we have been here before. So turns
I
out
mean-
even this was news to me. पहले वाले एकदम पुराने वाले MacBooks, before using Intel, they used PowerPC वाले processors. Now I don't know what PowerPC is, but they used that processor. And so while transitioning, they have been here before. So they had some software called Rosetta पहले, and which could run PowerPC apps on Intel processors.
power
So
PC
they
आपको
had that PowerPC करके एक processor था पहले, turns out Intel से पहले.
damn
हाँ, I didn't know.
so
I didn't know
essentially
that.
this software was an adapter for apps
Yeah, it's like an adapter. So उन्होंने Rosetta 2 करके release किया है, which is an adapter for
wow
that.
that's nice
And they have better virtualization and stuff. And so this, I'm going into a bit detail. If you don't understand, it's fine. There is something called a binary, which the apps use to communicate with the processor
right.
and stuff.
right
And so they have released a universal binary too, which will help communicate with the ARM
universal
processor,
binary, that's right.
with Intel, with the
I've heard
Intel
of this
apps.
I think I
वगैरह
saw
stuff.
this in the keynote
Yeah, and it can run Maya level stuff. They had a Maya ka
Whoa.
scene there, and it was
Yeah.
rendering in. I mean, it was previewing it in real time, let's say, and it ran perfectly smoothly. So these
Wow.
processors are very capable. Like the industry, I think it's gonna shake up in 2021. काफी ज़्यादा, because
it will
Apple is
easily
coming back. Like
With a
ऐसा
bang,
big way
bro.
में, the Steve Jobs level announcement था ये.
seriously
In my
seriously,
opinion.
no doubt
And the best thing is, so I don't know if anyone's going to use it, but ending में they said now that everything is ARM, you can run your iPhone and iPad apps on your Mac too, like natively, because it's ARM.
yeah Ooh.
So that was the final announcement.
Imagine running Premiere Pro on your iPhone or iPad.
And fuck, that's. Phew.
And having almost
I don't know what to say. I'm kind of blown.
Yeah,
Ah,
same
e-
dude, same.
And Apple Silicon is way ahead of the game. You know that, like phone
100
वाले market में भी Qualcomm doesn't come close to beating it.
Nowhere close. Even the latest 865 cannot beat iPhone 11 ka processor. The
I don't know if
812 is still better
it can
than
beat 10s का
865.
processor.
Kiska?
I don't know if it'll beat 10s iPhone 10s का processor.
हाँ, exactly. I'm not even sure about that.
Because
Exactly. 11 छोड़ दो.
the silicon game of Apple is so far ahead of the industry.
Too good.
If this transition goes perfectly, one, Apple will be worth the price. Like
It
लोगों
will
को
be,
अभी realize हो रहा है
seriously.
कि they are worth the price, and
Yeah.
once they do this, it's gonna be even more.
Yeah.
And
100%.
imagine all the pro stuff having ARM now. Like just because Apple did it, everyone's gonna do it. And so I guess it was a joke or tweet. I mean, it was true, but it was a tweet कि Apple का ARM वाला version can run all this right now, and Windows का can't even start a pro app because Windows did ARM way before Apple did.
हाँ.
Windows का there was ARM processor पहले से ही.
इसमें
So-
Surface Pro में.
and Surface Pro they partnered with Qualcomm, right? Yes,
No,
that's
no.
the
So
thing.
the Surface Pro X has an SQ1 processor. It's based on ARM and runs Windows.
So it's a Qualcomm processor.
It's not a Qualcomm processor. It's an ARM processor,
Okay.
which is made by
Oh no,
Microsoft.
Qualcomm company. Achha, it's made by Microsoft. Microsoft made the silicon.
Yes, they made the silicon. So just go and Google Microsoft Surface Pro X. I think it got released last year. It's like this huge, workstation thing, and it's fanless. It's very thin, and it has a ARM processor. And it runs Windows, full-fledged Windows.
क्या बात कर रहा है?
Yeah. You don't know
this went under my radar. No, I didn't know that. Wait, I'm just having a look.
It was on Unbox Therapy.
Oh, they have a processor at that specifically. Oh, Microsoft SQ1 processor. Oh.
Yeah.
I didn't know about this, but it failed, right?
Yeah, it went under the radar because again they did not market it properly. They did not.
Exactly, and developers are gonna. And
If-
so
if-
all this, so you can produce apps for Mac OS, ARM wala version, iPad, iPhone, all through one IDE, Xcode, with one laptop.
It's so good.
So now you can make apps for. So once the 2-year transition is done, you can make apps for iPhone. It will work on your iPad. It will work on your MacBook. So make one app, put different layouts, and
Too
you're
good,
basically
man.
done. You don't have to
Too
code
good.
it twice.
Yeah, that's right. Absolute banger, dude. See, this is
Yeah,
why it's called the
absolute.
Worldwide Developers Conference because it's really focused towards people who code, and I feel they're very, what do you call it? People who code are very underrated. They're not
Yeah,
always
I
given
guess.
enough recognition.
Like if they do a bad job, they get a scolding.
Yeah.
But if they do a good job, it's like it's meant to
They
be.
get
this
nothing.
way.
They get nothing. It's a very
I know.
thankless job. Being a developer is a very thankless job since it's behind the scenes and stuff.
Hmm.
But really, it's literally the core of what you're doing and how you're using.
Yeah,
the
because
device.
if they don't exist, you will have nothing.
Exactly. क्या
Like-
करेगा तू 16 कोर प्रोसेसर लेके क्या करेगा तू ठीक है और तेरे पास सॉफ्टवेयर ही नहीं है चलाने को क्या करेगा Just like that. समझा So yeah, I think
Cool.
that is also one very good move that Apple does. It gives very much recognition and encouragement to its developers, and I think that is one of the unique things about Apple.
There's a lot of resources as well because developing apps for iOS is way easier than developing apps for Android or Windows for that
Yeah,
matter.
right, 100%. Because again,
So-
it's a closed ecosystem.
And it is easier because there aren't a lot of iPhones.
Exactly.
You don't have to
Wait,
support
that's right.
a million phones as well.
Mhm.
It's like Android.
Right.
So I know Google has limitations and stuff, but I guess Apple's gonna be the next thing. Abhi wapis.
Yeah,
Like
it is 100. No doubt, man. It's
if
like
Android and Windows manufacturers don't catch
Catch up.
up,
they're
अब
gonna be in
तक
trouble.
क्या रीजन था मैकबुक नहीं खरीदने का? Overpriced and there are better
Alternate.
performance वाला features.
Ah,
Alternate.
right.
Performance they're gonna beat, and since performance they're gonna beat, pricing is gonna be better than ever because सब अंदर ही
It's gonna-
produce हो रहा है.
it's
They don't
gonna
have
be
to
better.
license it to Intel, and they don't have to wait for Intel to make new stuff.
Right.
So
They can work at their own pace.
yeah, so if you're buying a MacBook, I don't think now is a good time to buy a MacBook. Wait for 6 months or so. Please.
It's a good time when he bought it. It was a good time. Don't worry.
Oh, हाँ, I bought it.
Uh,
The reason I bought the Intel wala MacBook because I knew the ARM wala MacBook was coming is because
Huh.
my main goal for this MacBook was for app development and coding. And even though the video editing apps, the music development apps, and the illustration wala apps, all the artistic apps have been already done in ARM. I don't think a lot of people like Android Studios and Python development and ये सब they're gonna take some time to move to ARM,
That's
like
right. That's right.
about a year or so.
Yeah.
And that is the reason Apple did mention in their keynote video is that they still have some MacBooks in the Intel lineup,
yeah.
Intel pipeline.
They will
abhi.
be released.
So they're still gonna release this because developer wale apps jo रहते हैं, they are really big, and importing them to ARM is gonna be hard because there is a lot of kernel level stuff that is happening with those apps. They're
Right.
communicating with a lot of hardware at the same time.
Got it.
So staying with Intel was the safer thing to do फिलहाल के लिए for coders. So if you're a coder, stay with Intel for some time, like give it a couple of years or so, and then move to ARM because that's gonna be
The next big
the
thing.
easier thing to do. Let's just say that because if you once you go ARM, you're gonna have to virtualize and stuff वैसे तो उसके ऊपर, and there are gonna be a lot of patches वैसे. So it won't be a very smooth.
Smooth
Apple will
experience.
do it
Yeah.
anyway. So it won't be that smooth an experience. The virtualization
Transition.
wala
Mhm.
part.
Yeah.
So the transition is gonna be hard. So you can just skip it entirely.
Yep. Get a Dell
So I
XPS.
guess